Is the screen visible? Am I audible to everyone? Am I audible to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, beta. Quickly settle yourself. We'll wait for a minute or two.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, everyone.
Ma'am,
Yes? Yes, Adi?
ma'am, we are going to do LCM or HCF.
Both, but a very new topic, new type of questions related with HCF and LCM. Okay? Because the basics are done of HCF and LCM. We know how to calculate the HCF, we know how to calculate the LCM using the short tricks. Now, today, we are going to learn new questions based on HCF and LCM. Okay, Jeesh?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, beta, quickly settle yourself. Use your headphones, earphones, Bluetooth, whatever device you have at your home. I'll just wait for a minute or two so that some more students can join us. Till then, please revise the questions that we did in the last class. Okay? Everyone, I'll just wait for 2 more minutes and then I shall start. Okay, beta. And everyone, please turn on your videos, dear. Turn on your videos, everyone. I hope most of you have joined, but I can't see. Only half of the class is there. Today, only 50% strength is there. Okay, no issues. First, beta, first work for today. Note these three formula. Formula number 1, formula number 2, and formula number 3. Okay? Note these three formula quickly. Okay? Waiting for 2 minutes. Note down these three formula and then I shall explain it. Note down. Yes, Krisha.
Ma'am, in the HCM or okay. HCM. Ma'am,
It's
in the
HCF. It's HCF and LCM pressure.
ma'am, but it is written HCF.
Yes, beta, that is written HCF. That's written HCF, beta. Quickly note this down. Do let me know once done, dear. Note this down and do let me know once done quickly. And take a screenshot also. I'm giving you 1 more minute. Either note this down or take the screenshot, beta. Take the screenshot.
Done, ma'am.
Done, everyone. Take the screenshot, everyone, and we shall start, beta. Take the screenshot. Okay, see. The first formula is HCF of fractions. Suppose you are asked to calculate the HCF and the numbers are not whole numbers. They are certain numbers like 2 by 3, whatever, like 3 by 5, any number. So in such case, the HCF would be HCF of numerators by divided LCM of denominators. That means you will take out the HCF of 2 and 3. You will take out the LCM of 3 and 5. And then that shall be your answer. Okay. So HCF of fractions, it means HCF of numerators divided LCM of denominators. Second, if LCM of fractions is
Ma'am,
asked,
I didn't understand.
beta, you have to learn the formula, Ajish. The formula is if you have to calculate the HCF of fraction is HCF of numerators divided LCM of denominators. Numerators means what? Like suppose if we have 2 and 3. So 2 and 3 is the numerator here, the upper part of the fraction. 3 by 5, it is denominator. So you will take the HCF of 2 and 3 and LCM of 3 and 5. For second formula, that is LCM of fractions. If LCM of fractions is being asked to you, the formula is LCM of numerator upon HCF of denominators. Yes, Prisha?
Ma'am, can you LCM of fraction? Can you write the example, ma'am?
When I will do the questions after explaining this, you will get to know it, Prisha. Okay, we will practice the questions. LCM of fraction means LCM of numerators divided HCF of denominators. Okay, and then third formula. If HCF and LCM of a number is given, then always do remember that HCF into LCM is equal to product of numbers. Okay, that means suppose if you have any number like 3, 7, okay, 3 and 7. So 3 into 7 is the product of the number. Product means multiplication of the number. So 3 into 7 is what? Product of the numbers. And the LCM and HCF of 3 and 7, when you multiply it, it will be equal to the product of the numbers. And this is also a formula that HCF into LCM is equal to product of numbers. Noted this down, everyone. Then either take the
Ma'am, I didn't
screenshot.
understand the
What,
second one.
Ajish? Second one, this LCM of fractions.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. Beta, LCM of fractions, whenever you are asked to calculate, you may have the questions in fraction. Calculate the LCM of numerator, calculate the HCF of denominators, and then you will get your answer. For example, suppose I have fraction A by B, C by D, and E by F. Okay, I have fraction A by B, C by D, and E by F. And I am asked to calculate the HCF. Okay, HCF. So, what does the formula say? Formula says that when you are asked to calculate HCF of fractions, then you will take out the HCF of numerators. HCF of what? Numerators. And LCM of denominators. This is the formula that you have to learn. Okay. So HCF of numerator is what? Numerator is A, C and E. That means you have to calculate the HCF of A, C and E. And talking about the LCM, so LCM of denominator, that is B, D and F. So calculate the LCM of B, D and F. Got this thing, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So, what can be my answer? HCF of A by B, C by D, and E by F. My answer would be HCF of ACE and LCM of BDF. So, I think option A is the correct one. Option A is the correct one. Now got it, Ajish?
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
How we? And I think
Ajish,
that B, ma'am.
can you please turn on your camera, Ajish? And Prisha, how it can be B? HCF of numerator. Numerator is ACE. So ACE. LCM of denominators. Denominator is BDF. So BDF.
Okay, ma'am.
Ajish, what did you not get? Tell me.
Ma'am, how did you do?
I didn't use anything or I didn't use even my brain, Ajish, because I know the formula HCF of fraction is equal to HCF of numerator upon my LCM of denominator. Okay. So HCF of numerator means what? The numbers which are given at the top. So you will calculate the HCF of these and LCM of these. Now check where do you have HCF of ACE and where do you have LCM of BDF? I can see option A. Ajish, got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubts? Anyone? Anyone, any doubts? No? Okay. If no, then next question you will answer in poll. Okay? Next question you are going to answer in poll. Quickly. You have to answer in poll. Here you go. Read the question carefully. Read the question carefully. Nandini, Prajwal, Vivansh, very good. The first three to answer me. Very good, beta. Okay, see. How can we do this? Let's learn again. This time I am asked to calculate what? LCM. LCM of the fractions. So the formula for LCM of the fraction was what? LCM of numerator upon HCF of denominators. This was the formula. Now LCM of numerator means LCM of PRT, and HCF of denominator means HCF of QSU. LCM of this and HCF of this. Where can I get that? Here I have LCM removed. LCM and HCF. LCM of PRT, yes. HCF of QSU, yes. Option B answer. Option B is the answer. Any doubts, anyone? Anyone, any doubts? No? Okay. If you have no doubts, then here you go. The second question, and you have to answer this question in poll, okay? And then I shall explain it. You have to answer this question in poll, then I will explain it. Only Melanie energy, only two. Okay, see how we will do it. Let's learn.
Ma'am, I did not understand.
Okay, beta, no issues. We will learn. Okay. So we are asked HCF of 9 by 10, 12 by 15, and 21 by 40. Right? Right? And we know the formula that HCF of fraction is what? HCF of fraction means HCF of numerator upon HCF, sorry, LCM. LCM of denominators. Okay, this is the formula. According to the formula, we have to calculate HCF of 9, 12, and 21. Right? 9, 12, and 21. I shall write a bit larger, right? 9, 12, and 21. HCF of this. And let me write with white. HCF of 9, 12, and 21. And LCM of what? LCM of denominators, that is 10, 15, and 40. Now we will calculate what? HCF of 9, 12, and 21. What can be the HCF of 9, 12, and 21? Let me know. HCF of 9, 12, and 21. What is?
3.
Yes, 3. And how did we do it? Using the prime factorization method, right? Sorry, not prime factorization. Using difference method that I taught you. The difference between 9 and 12 is 3. The difference between 12 and 21 is 9. Now, because the difference are different, we will calculate further. So the difference of 9 and 3 is 6. Okay. 6 can be my HCF if that 6 divides 9, 12 and 21, all the three numbers. Does 9, 12 and 21 all are divisible by 6? Tell me yes or no.
No, ma'am. No,
No.
ma'am.
That means 6 cannot be my HCF. Then, now I will break this 6. So this can be done like 3 and 2. 3 and 2.
Ma'am, and 3 and 2, the 9, 12 and 21.
Array, only left hand works. See, so now my HCF can either be 3 or it can be 2, right? Either it can be 3 or it can be 2. Does 2 divide all the numbers? No, 2 does not divide all the numbers. So 2 cross, that means HCF is what? HCF is 3. HCF is 3. Got it, everyone? HCF. This we learned in the first class, right? First class of HCF and LCM. Any doubts in this? No? Now coming to LCM. What I taught you in the last class, that LCM is the highest number, right? LCM is the highest number. Yes, Yashashwini?
The question one more time.
Pardon, beta?
Ma'am, can you explain the question one more time?
I haven't finished, beta, yet. Did you join right now?
Yes, ma'am.
Beta, I haven't finished it yet. Okay. And please watch the recordings once, Yashashwini, because you have joined 20 minutes late, beta. So you skipped 3 formulas. Okay. In the starting of the class, I made you write 3 formulas. So please do watch the recording once, beta. And
Okay, ma'am.
and and HCF of fractions. Okay. HCF of fraction. The formula for it is HCF of numerator upon my LCM of denominator. That means first you will take out the HCF of what? HCF of numerator, that is 9, 12 and 21. So HCF of 9, 12 and 21, it will be 3. Use the difference method that I taught you. And then you have to calculate the LCM of denominator. LCM of denominator means LCM of 10, 15 and 40 beta. है ना? 10, 15 and 40. For the LCM, I taught you that whichever numbers are written, the highest can be my LCM. The highest can be my LCM if it is divisible by rest of the number. So is this 40 divisible by 10? Yes, 40 is divisible by 10. Remove this. Is this 40 divisible by 15?
No,
No.
ma'am.
40 is not divisible by 15. Then how shall we calculate? Then I will break this 15. I will write this 3 into 5. Right? Now, is this 40 divisible by 5? Yes, divisible by 5. This 40 is not divisible by 3. That means my LCM will be 40 into 3, that is 120. My LCM is 40 into 3, that is 120. So I got my HCF 3, LCM 120, that means 3 upon 20 is my answer. Did everyone got it?
I didn't get it. Again.
Okay, one by one.
Explain it again.
Can I explain this again? Yes, for sure, beta. Let me explain this once more.
From the LCM one.
Only the LCM one. Okay. Anyone, any doubt in the HCF part?
No, ma'am. Then
No.
ma'am.
Okay. So the LCM part. Yes,
No,
Prisha?
ma'am.
Ma'am,
Anyone? Yes?
ma'am, in the LCM, can you explain again? I not understand.
Okay, see. I have to take out the LCM of what? LCM of the denominators, that is 10, 15 and 40. In the last class, we learned the short trick of LCM, that the highest number among the given numbers is the LCM. So the highest number is what? Highest number is 40, right? 40 could have been our LCM, but the condition is that this 40 should be divisible by rest of the given numbers. So is this 40 divisible by 10? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Remove this. Is this 40 divisible by 15?
No, ma'am.
No. Now I have to multiply such a number in 40 that it becomes divisible by 15, right? So you can do it either two ways. Two ways you can do it. First way, you can write the table of 40, like 40 into 1 is 40, 40 into 2 is 80, 40 into 3 is 120, right? 40 into 4, 160 and so on. And now you can check 40 not divisible by 15, 80 not divisible by 15. Is this 120 divisible by 15? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
120 will only be my LCM. 120 will only be my LCM. First way is write the table of the greatest digit and see that is the multiple divisible by the number that does not divide 40? If yes, then that shall be my LCM. Now, it was a very less number, like 40 multiplied by 3, I got my answer. But it is not possible for each and every number that we will write the table like this. So, in that case, what you have to do, whichever number does not divide the highest number, like 15, it does not divide the highest number, right? So what you will do, you will just break this number down. आप इस number को prime factors में तोड़ दोगे. You will break this number into prime factors. So I can write 3 into 5. 3 into 5 is 15. Now you will check that which factor does not divide 40. So if I talk about 5, this 5, it divides 40, right? So I will remove it. Does this 3 divide 40? Yes or no?
No,
No, ma'am.
No, that means if you
No,
multiply
ma'am.
40 by this 3,
No, ma'am.
you will get your LCM. You will get
ma'am.
your, yes,
Ma'am, in the LCM in the first step I not understand, ma'am. In first step, it is 10, 15, 40.
Ma'am,
How we get the
yes,
40, ma'am?
Ajesh. Yes,
ma'am, how
Ajesh.
3 into 5 is coming? Ma'am, how 3 into 5 is coming? I don't know. We can even
Beta
write 5 into
15,
3, right?
write 5 into 3, doesn't matter. Write 5 into 3. Doesn't matter. Remove this 5 because 5 is divisible by 40. Then also you have to multiply 40 by 3. Doesn't matter if you write 5 into 3 or 3 into 5. It has nothing to do with it. Okay, Ajesh?
Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Trisha?
ma'am, in the LCM 10, 15, in the first step 10, 15, 40. How we get the 40, 43 is it 120, but in the LCM, ma'am.
40 is the largest among the given numbers. Okay, 40 is the largest among the given numbers. And if you remember the last class of LCM, we learned that largest number, whichever is the largest one, that is the LCM. And here 40 should have been our LCM if it was divisible by 10 and 15 both, right? If it was divisible by 10 and 15 both. 40 is divisible by 10 and not by 15. That's why we have to multiply 40 with such a number so that it becomes divisible by 15. So 40 into 3, we get 120, and 120 is divisible by 15. That's why my LCM will be 120. Got it, everyone? If
Yes,
yes,
ma'am.
calculate the next one. Calculate the next one. Okay? Giving you in the poll. Calculate the next one. HCF of 3 by 4, 5 by 6 and 9 by 10. Okay, Falak, Zoya, Tejas and Ajish. Very good. You gave me the correct answer. Rest everyone wrong. Okay, see how we will
Ma'am,
do it. Yes, dear.
ma'am, tukka.
तुक्का वाह, किस्मत हो तो आपकी तरह, है ना?
I could not understand this question.
Okay, बेटा, see, see.
Answer is getting whole, one whole.
अच्छा, देखो उत्कर्ष कैसे करेंगे, है ना? Now we have to calculate HCF of what? HCF of 3 by 4, 5 by 6 and 9 upon 10, right? All are fractions, right? So, first you will calculate the HCF of what? Formula says HCF of numerators. So, HCF of 5, 3 and 9. 5, 3 and 9. HCF इसका निकालोगे आप. And LCM of what? LCM of 4, 6 and 10. LCM of 4, 6 and 10. Now, first let's see the HCF part. We will use the difference method. 5 minus 3, 2. 9 minus 5, 4. Again, because they are not same, again we will divide further. Not divide, subtract further. I got 4 minus 2, 2. Is this 2? Does this 2 divides 3, 5 and 9? Tell me. Does it divide 3, 5 and 9?
No,
No.
ma'am.
That's why what will I do? I will just break this. So 2 is equal to 2 into 1. So because this 2 does not divide 3, 5 and 9, so I will remove this 2. Which factor is left now? I am left with only one factor, that is 1. So HCF will be what? 1. Is this thing clear? That HCF is 1? Is HCF thing clear to each
Yes,
one of
ma'am.
you?
Yes, ma'am.
Anyone has any doubt to raise your hand?
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes?
Ma'am.
Yes? Ajish?
Ma'am, how we will get one in the HCF one?
Because Ajish, we learned that we have to find the difference to find the HCF. Now 5 minus 3 2, 9 minus 5 4. Again, because the difference are different, we will calculate the difference further. So 4 minus 2, I
मैम
got 2. Yes.
मैम अभी 2 3 5 9 को डिवाइड नहीं किया तो हमको कर वो हाफ करना है।
हाफ नहीं करना बेटा, क्या करना था हमें, इसका डिफरेंस निकालना होता है ना। एचसीएफ की क्लास में हमने क्या सीखा था, दैट वी हैव टू कैलकुलेट द डिफरेंस ऑफ द गिवन नंबर्स। सो आप डिफरेंस निकालोगे तो 5 माइनस 3 यू विल गेट 2 एंड 9 माइनस 5 यू विल गेट 4। और क्योंकि डिफरेंस आपका अलग अलग है तो फिर हम डिफरेंस का भी डिफरेंस निकालते थे। तो 4 माइनस 2 you will get 2. Now this 2 should be my LCM, but the given number 3, 5 and 9 it is not divisible by 2. तो अगर वो divisible ही नहीं है तो HCF कैसे होगा? 2 तो HCF हो ही नहीं सकता। तो फिर क्या करते थे, हम उस 2 को फर्दर ब्रेक डाउन करते थे प्राइम फैक्टर्स में। सो व्हेन आई ब्रेक डाउन दिस 2 तो क्या लिखोगे, 2 into 1 ही तो होगा। अजीश 2 into 1 ही होगा ना।
हाँ मैम।
So if 2 into 1 is there, if 2 into 1 is there, so 2 cannot divide 3, 5 and 9. So you will remove this 2. 2 divide नहीं कर सकता, 2 हटा दो, बचा क्या? You are left with 1.
यस मैम।
So 1 will be my HCF. You are
Okay,
left
ma'am.
with 1. That's why 1 will be your answer. Yes, Vivansh? Yes, Vivansh?
Nothing, ma'am.
Vivansh, your mic.
Ma'am, before I wasn't able to hear you.
Now can you hear me, dear?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay, beta. So HCF I got as 1. HCF I got as 1. And if you are not able to calculate the HCF beta, please do practice it from your book because we have done this for the 2 classes. Right? We
Ma'am,
practiced HCF for 2 classes. Yes, Prisha?
ma'am, in the traditional method also it 9 minus 5 is 4, 4 minus 3 is 1, ma'am.
I don't know which method did you use, beta, but I have taught you to do using the difference method only. I haven't taught you the traditional method, prime factorization or the division method. I have taught you what? The difference method, because it is easy and quick. Quickly you can get your answer. And in LCM also, I taught you that whichever is the highest number, consider that to be the LCM. Whichever is the highest number, consider that to be LCM. So 10 हमारा LCM हो सकता था. 10 could have been my LCM. Okay. But because this 10 is not divisible by 4 and 6, that's why you have to take such a number so that this 10 becomes divisible by 4 and 6. So if I do 10 into 6, I get 60. So this 60, it is divisible by 4 also because 15 into 4 is 60. And this 60, it is divisible by 6 also. 6 into 10 is 60. That's why my LCM will be 60. Got it, everyone? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
So what was my answer?
No मैम।
Who did not get it, just raise your hand and then you can ask me because at once you speak and I'm not able to hear you.
Ma'am,
Prisha, I asked to raise hand there and then I will call out your name, only then you can ask your doubt. Yes, Yashashwini.
Ma'am, can you see the LCM?
Okay, LCM 1. Okay, okay, beta. Okay, put down your hand, beta. Vivansh.
Ma'am, how can 4 divide 10?
4 does not divide 10, beta. That's why we have to multiply 10 with such a number so that the answer is divisible by 4. 4 10 को डिवाइड नहीं करता, तो 10 को आप ऐसे नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करोगे कि मल्टीप्लाई करने के बाद जो आंसर आए वो आपके 4 से डिविजिबल हो। गॉट इट प्रिवांश?
Okay, ma'am. Got it.
हाँ, yes, now I have Prisha. Yes, Prisha.
Ma'am, in the LCM of the 4, 6, 10, in the I took 10, but I confused in for
Got it. Got it, Prisha. Got it. So 10 could have been your LCM, but 10 is not your LCM, beta, because 10 is not divisible by 4 and 6. So you have to take the multiple of 10 that is divisible by both 4 and 6. So 10 1 is 10, 10 2s are 20, 10 3s are 30, 10 4s are 40. So when I see the multiples, I know that 60 is divisible by both 4 and 6. So that's why 60 will be my LCM. Yes, Ajish.
Ma'am, I also asked the same doubt only.
So did you get it now, Ajish?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, I want to ask one more thing. I wanted to ask in the previous classes only, that is there anyone present in the class those who don't understand even a single word of Hindi by chance, because sometimes by mistake I speak out Hindi. So anyone in the class, those who don't get a single word related with Hindi, please raise your hand so that I will keep in my mind that I don't have to use Hindi words. Anyone in the class? Yashashwini. Okay, Yashashwini does not get Hindi at all. And Vivansh. Okay. Vivansh?
Ma'am, I
Ha.
understand a little Hindi.
So I know Vivansh, you told me that you understand a little bit.
Yes.
So I never use Hindi for a conversation. I only by mistake sometimes when I explain, while explaining, I think that if the student is more comfortable in understanding Hindi, so just I speak Hindi. So if you have any problem related with it, okay, do let me know. Okay, Yashashwini, beta, you don't got it, Vivansh. Yashashwini. So do you don't understand Hindi even a single word, beta?
Ma'am, actually not a single word. Some words you are not understanding because you are in South, na. That's why critical words, some like that only. That is
Oh,
main.
no, no, ma'am. No, I was just asking because sometimes by mistake I use Hindi
No,
words
see,
while
it is okay.
explaining.
Normally, you can speak in Hindi in explaining time, no problem. Sometimes the words you can catch quickly. What is the meaning? You have to search na padega. That's it. I little bit I will
Acha.
manage, no problem.
No, no. Actually, I don't use a lot of Hindi words, but sometimes I think that the student, those who ask me doubt, they are more comfortable in
Yes,
understanding
yes,
Hindi.
I know, ma'am.
That's why during
I'm
that
also
time I
listening the
speak Hindi.
classes with you, Yashashwini. No problem. Okay, okay. You can continue.
Okay, okay, for sure. So my HCF will be what? HCF upon me LCM. So 1 upon 60, that is option A, beta. And we are taking so much of time in just a single question. Okay, now you have to find the LCM. Keep in mind, this is the LCM. Okay, use the formula for LCM. And here you go. You can answer in poll. LCM of 2 by 3, 4 by 9,
Ma'am, can
and
you give
5
us
by
60
6.
seconds?
60 सेकेंड 60 क्यों, आप 90 लो, लेकिन सही आंसर दो. Given you 90 seconds, but I want the correct answer from you. Though 90 seconds is much for this, very much for this particular question. But only to boost your confidence, I'm giving you 90 seconds. But only for this question, not from the next. Five of you have answered me within 10 seconds. Wow. You can also use option elimination method. Option elimination method say, you can do this in 5 seconds. Option elimination method. I will also use option elimination method this time. Okay, Raj, Nandani, Falak, Prajwal, very good. The first 3 to answer me. This time, 8 of you have answered correctly. Very good. Ajish, Melanie, and Trisha gave me the wrong answer, and Yashashwini did not answer. Okay, let's learn. We will do option elimination method this time. Okay, beta? Option elimination method. So, we have to take out the LCM. The formula for LCM was what? LCM of numerators upon HCF of denominators. That means I have to find the LCM of 2, 4, and 5 and HCF of 3, 9, and 6. Right? As per the formula, LCM of 2, 4, 5 and HCF of 3, 9, and 6. This time I'm using more shortcut method. I will not even use differentiation method. I will just go for option elimination method. Okay. So what does this LCM means? This LCM means that whatever is the LCM, that number should be divisible by 2, 4, and 5, right? If you are taking out the LCM of 2, 4, and 5, that means whatever is your answer, it should be divisible by 2, 4, and 5. LCM का मतलब कि जो भी आपके LCM है, जिस भी नंबर का LCM आपने निकाला है, वो डिविजिबल होना चाहिए उन नंबर्स से. Is 8 divisible by 2, 4, 5? No, 8 is not divisible by 2, 4, 5. So this option you will remove. You will remove this option. 2, 4, 5, 8 is not divisible. Remove this. 20. Is this 20 divisible by 2, 4, 5? Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
20 is divisible by 2, 4, 5.
Yes, ma'am.
You will keep this. You will keep this.
Ma'am, but not 6.
Wait, beta, wait. We are talking about LCM 2, 4, 5. Okay. Is this 10 divisible by 2, 4, 5?
No, ma'am.
Remove this. Is this 20 divisible? Yes. Let's keep this also in
black.
option. Yes,
And the
Raj
screen
Nandini.
is black.
Screen is black. Beta, exit and rejoin. Whenever during the class, listen to me once. Whenever during the class you feel that the screen is black or you're not able to hear me, please quickly exit and rejoin. Okay. Now tell me what, Prisha. Yes.
Ma'am, D option also correct, ma'am.
I will cut it, but wait for it.
Ma'am.
Yes, Ajish.
Ma'am, just now your voice was echoing.
Beta, exit and rejoin. If the voice echoes or you are not able to see the screen, please exit quickly and rejoin. See, so I have now left with only 2 options, 20 and 27. So for sure, my LCM is 20. My LCM is 20 for sure. Now I have to calculate the HCF of 3, 9, and 6. So 3, 9, and 6 HCF. HCF, what does it mean? The concept of HCF says that whenever you take out the HCF of any given numbers, that HCF should divide the given numbers. Suppose if the HCF is 1, so 1 should divide all the given numbers. If HCF is 2, then 2 should divide all the given numbers. ये कौन है जिससे इको आ रहा है? और ये शायद फलक है। फलक आप ही हो। I know this. So you have to calculate what? HCF of 3, 9 and 6. Which number divides 3 also, 9 also, 6 also? 3 or 27? Tell me quickly.
3, ma'am.
3.
3, ma'am.
So without doing anything, without even calculating LCM and HCF, you can get your answer 20 upon 3. Got it, everyone? Any doubts?
No, ma'am.
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am. Ma'am,
No?
I did not understand the first step.
First step, beta, calculating LCM. Ajish?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Calculating LCM means beta, see the number which is divisible by all 2, 4 and 5. And if you are not able to do the option method beta, go for the LCM method. Calculate LCM of 2, 4 and 5. LCM of 2, 4 and 5. So the highest number is 5. But this 5, it is not divisible by 4, neither it is divisible by 2. So you have to multiply such a number in 5 so that the result is divisible by 2 also and 4 also. So 5 2s are 10, not divisible by 2 and 4. 5 3s are 15, not divisible by 2 and 4. 5 into 4 is 20, right? 5 into 4 is 20. 20 is divisible by 2 also. 20 is divisible by 4 also. That's why LCM will be 20. Got it, Ajish?
Yes, ma'am.
And beta, those who are getting problems in calculating LCM and HCF, simple suggestion for you, practice lots of LCM and HCF from wherever you want, book or the internet, wherever you want, whichever book you have. If you have Bharati publication book, well and good. If you have some other book, you can practice from that also, practice from Google, practice from wherever you want. And whatever doubt you have related with the chapters which are being done in the class, why don't you send the doubts in the ask doubt session? I never got a single doubt from this batch. 6C batch, I never get any doubt from the South one, never. No one sends me the doubt. In class, you have so much of doubts, but in that ask doubt session, you don't send even a single doubt, not a single doubt. So I hope that there is only two reasons for it. First reason, either you are very intelligent, and I'm so good that while I teach in the class, you get to know everything and you don't have any doubt in any question. Or the second reason, that you don't practice at home. Beta, if you don't practice at home, even 5, 10 questions also, then you will feel it difficult in the class to learn the concept. Because each and every classes are interconnected, beta. And if you don't practice yourself, if you don't have self-study, even for 5 to 10 questions, you will feel difficulty in learning the concepts. Okay, so doubts for this question is clear to everyone? Yes, Ashwini, you just raised your hand. Any doubts there? Yes, Ashwini, you have raised your hand. Doubts?
No, sorry, ma'am. No.
Okay. Okay, if you have no doubts, then let's move to the next question. Okay, let me explain this first. You are being asked what? LCM of two numbers is 48. Okay, LCM of two numbers is 48. And numbers are 16 and 24. You have to find the HCF of 16 and 24, right? You have to find the HCF of 16 and 24. So if I see this question, one way of solving this can be that the numbers are 16 and 24. So just calculate what? Just calculate the difference and get your answer. Because HCF means what? HCF means difference process. Calculating the difference between the numbers. And this 8 divides 16 also and 8 divides 24 also. So 8 will be my answer. As simple as that. Because
Ma'am, 4 is also.
beta 4 also divides, but I have to calculate the highest common factor, right? Highest. So 8 is greater than 4. That's why I will take 8 beta, Ajish. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So first thing is, the numbers are given to us 16 and 24, and we have to calculate the HCF. So I will calculate 16 and 24 ka HCF 8, right? Because numbers are given. But the second concept is the formula that I told you. And that formula will not be required when the numbers are given. That formula would be required when the ratio of numbers are given. Okay, we will get to know how, but let me explain it. First, the formula.
Ma'am, what is your ratio?
That means when the numbers, exact numbers are not given, and it is given that the ratio of the numbers are like 2:3. 2 part and 3 part of a number. Formula says HCF into LCM of the number is equal to product of numbers. Product of numbers. HCF, I don't know what is HCF. I have to calculate this. LCM, I know it is 48. Numbers, I know it is 16 into 24. I just put the value. Like LCM, I know it is 48. I just wrote 48 below LCM. Product of numbers, the numbers are 16 and 24. So I just did 16 into 24. And in order to calculate the HCF, what will I do? This is 16 into 24. And this 48, when it will move to the other side of the equal to, this multiply will become divide. So upon me 48. Now simplify this. 24 1 is 24. 24 2 is 48. 2 1 is 2 and 2 8 is 16. My answer would be 8. My answer is 8.
मैंने इक्वेशन बना के किया है.
क्या बेटा?
मैंने इक्वेशन बना के किया था. मैंने x पकड़ के मैंने किया था. होगा.
If you took x in the place of HCF, then also correct, because in the starting of the thing you took value x. But beta, doing the process is good. That will be helpful in your examination at your school. But when you give the entrance exam, it is not a subjective. You just have to mark what your answer in the OMR sheet, right? So whatever you take x, you take a, you take HCF, answer matters. Only the current answer matters. Okay, and we have to make it quick. I wrote this formula here, all the steps just for you, so that it is easy for you to understand. But in examination, you don't have to write this formula. Whenever you see this question, just do 16 into 24 upon 48. That's it. 16 into 24 upon my 48. That's it. Nothing more than that. And then just calculate it, simplify it. And for this particular question, it was more easy to calculate what? HCF using the difference method. I got my answer. 8. And this was the process when LCM HCF is being asked to you and the product of the numbers are given. Sometimes in the question, you will not be given numbers. You will be given product of numbers like this. Suppose you are given like this. See, in this question, the numbers are not given, right? You are given the product of two numbers is 2028 and their HCF is 13. LCM of the number is what? So in this case, I cannot calculate HCF of this particular number. What shall I do then? Only one thing. I know the formula. Yes, beta, very good. HCF and LCM is equal to product of numbers, right? So I have to calculate LCM, right?
184.
So very good, beta. So LCM will be what? Product upon my HCF. That product is 2028 and HCF is 13. So just divide this 2028 by 13. You will get your answer.
184.
Okay, yes, beta. Any doubts in
Ma'am,
this? Yes, beta.
actually I told the answer first.
अच्छा बेटा बहुत अच्छी बात है. But I did not get correct answer from you or anyone else. 2028 divided 13, how much you get?
156.
Yes, very good. This time I got the correct answer. Who was it?
Ma'am, 156.
Ma'am, Tejas.
Yes. Yes, Tejas and yes, Shashwini gave me the correct answer, beta. 13 divided 2028 is 156. Yes, Ajish, now you give me the correct answer. Correct. Got it, everyone? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, in the Delhi is raining.
What's happening?
In the Delhi there is rain. Rain. In the Delhi.
In Delhi, it's raining. Yes, it was raining today. Yes, it's raining there.
Yes, ma'am. In the Chennai
Okay.
also.
Chennai also it's raining.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
But
in
when it's
Karnataka also.
Also raining. In Kolkata also.
Kolkata also raining. Karnataka also raining. I think monsoon has just arrived, but not
Ma'am, Porbandar
confirmed.
also.
Everywhere raining. Yes?
कर्नाटका में अप्रैल में ही रेन होने स्टार्ट कर दिया.
April, May. But if it rains anywhere in India, but if it rains in Delhi, everyone is really happy because in Delhi we have a very bad summertime, very bad. Extreme summer, extremely hot. So we really become happy. But the traffic, that makes us sad also. Okay, so any doubts in this one, beta? Anyone, any doubts in this?
No, ma'am.
No.
No. Okay. If no, then that was it for today. In the next class, we will continue the same concept. Okay, beta? Okay.
Saying my birthday is in July and every year it is raining in July.
July, it is raining in Kolkata.
Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am, in Assam.
Assam also raining.
It's sunny, but in July it's always raining.
Always raining. Because that is the monsoon time. Nandini, that's the monsoon time.
Even in my birthday.
Okay, even at your birthday it rains. Actually, my birthday also it always rains. It's in July, so it always rains. Even
Ma'am,
in
my
my
birthday is
birthday.
on December.
December it's cold.
Yeah.
Okay, Vyasa. So that's it for today. Thanks for joining me.
Ma'am.
Bye, everyone. Yes?
Ma'am,
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Yes?
मैम ये ईयर मैम मैम ये ईयर मेरा स्कूल का लास्ट दिन में मेरा बर्थडे था.
अच्छा, तो मजे किए, पार्टी कर लिया आपने?
हाँ मैम.
अच्छा, ठीक है. अगली बार बर्थडे पे मुझे भी पार्टी देना. Okay, wait, everyone. You can leave. Bye.